Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. Today we're going to be pimping the SUBBIE and the Surf. So let's get to it. If you ever have those friends that are like just stupid and they don't like their car being fiddled with, and of course you don't listen to them, you buy hubcaps from Super Cheap Auto for $26.95. Don't judge me on that price. I don't actually think it's the right one. Anyway, then you go and get spray paint, and voila, you will see us make some wheels for our friend. Damn. Just for the extra contrast of dark light, and this paint is. We don't sponsor them.
Please sponsor us.
So, before you paint a wheel, when you have good paint, which we don't, you usually give it a light sand and mask up the little bolts. It doesn't work when you have paint, but hey, who cares? Let's paint these other wheels. Hi Dylan.
How's it going?
Not bad. I hear you want a new paint job.
Yeah, it's pretty pink.
Yes.
Once they're dry, which I don't know how, we can pull off the... Oh yeah, that's dry.
A little bit of a run. What's going on?
That was Hayden. So, now we can pull off these because we won't get paint all over ourselves. We put it down early, but anyway.
One chill sesh later, and we'll have it all off. Okay. No, that one looks red in the sun. How does that work?
When you gotta paint wheels, all wheels are gonna get gutter rash. So instead of provide wheels without gutter rash, just think in the future and provide them with gutter rash. What do you reckon of the finished product? I mean, they're dodgy, but they'll look alright.
I'd say they're pretty good.
Yeah.
I'll super Subaru.
Yeah. Now to just go put them on. Oh, do you want to go to Super Cheap Auto now and get your stuff for Ben's car?
Yeah, right.
We'll do that. Take the move out for a spin in the Camry. We're at Macca's because I'm having breakfast at 12 o'clock in the day, and we got to try and find a car park, which is easy in this car anyway. Get sponsored by whoever we can. Yeah. Question mark? Not yet. Not sure yet. We'll see. No, do they have octane booster? I don't think they do. Here at Super Cheap Auto, you have stop leak. It can stop anything if you have a friend like Benjamin. Buy it for just $11.99. Sponsor us, Super Cheap. Oh, gotta grab a dog. His casting's anyway. Reckon that on the surf. Super. Or just like double sided tape it or something. How's it meant to? It just sits on them.
Why don't you just get the really fat one?
No, because it looks a bit weird, I think. Hold on, we'll have a look at
The whole
this.
point is to look dicky.
No, but I reckon he'd keep it on.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it actually comes with double-sided tape.
That's what I was saying.
Definitely. Yeah, that
Definitely. That one a bit too skinny.
I've got mine somewhere. Same. I had mine somewhere.
The knee mighty compound screw, eh?
Alrighty, so we picked up a Gay Pride chop sticker, a smelly dog, and a fake hood scoop. Should be good. Alright, so we're gonna do the front first, then pull that into the garage.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do that, and then we can do the back.
That'll do.
Alright, yeah, we're gonna do this. Does someone want to get a tape measure?
Where is a tape measure?
You're not allowed to use it.
Well,
Make sure it's straight.
yeah. We measured the tape and it's got to be right on the bam. Finalised. Oh gosh. It's going to pull off all of his. But anyhow, minor detail. Now to find out that we put it on not straight.
Oh my god.
Is it straight?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dry where we're putting it on.
Voila! Oh my god, that would actually look cool.
Yeah.
Or is it just the black bit that sticks or the
Yeah.
white as well?
It's
There's a little white around it, I think.
Is it like the Moose sticker? Like the 0 to 100 where it's just...
Yeah.
That or...
is that printing dodgy? Look at that. The printing is there, but the cutout is like,
Oh, it is too.
oh my god.
Dude, that's not gonna work. What do you reckon? It's gonna look good. Okay, we'll do this chop sticker location. So we're all happy with it being there?
Yeah. Gotta be on the back for all the little Navarros he's going to shop.
Oops. Oh, there was actually a flap to open it. You're not supposed to tear it. Anywho's. Are we ready? Do you pull the backing film off this, or do you just pull the...
No, you just pull the sticker. Go from bottom to top first so it doesn't get air bubbles.
That's not coming off anytime soon.
Hell yeah. Woo! Now we got the big one. Is it on an angle? Dylan, you put it on an angle, my dude.
Yeah, oh crap. That should be right. Should be right.
You were on an angle the whole flipping time.
that.
No, you started here and you slid up.
Keep going.
Oh, I didn't.
Yes, you did. It's lucky this isn't a good sticker
Yeah.
because it's so wonky.
It's not actually.
It's so wonky.
That actually looks cool. Holy flip.
What, the hood's good?
Yeah.
I think it was worth $30.
We gotta stick like the P plate in the middle as well. Gotta be OCD.
Oh yeah.
I think we're gonna have to cut off these somehow. I don't know if they'll break.
No, it should be right.
No, they're not
Oh,
not
they're in the
right.
way.
Yeah. They hit this.
This one's
part.
got a hacksaw.
See
See
what
what
ones
ones
you
you
have
have
to
to cut. Maybe every second one.
Just break them. Yeah, you just get over and start breaking them. Thank you.
Wait, what was that?
She's delayed them for us. Alright, so we're installing Sam's wheels very quickly. His high performance pink wheels. We're having to break off all the tabs so that they actually semi-fit flush. And they're coming home, so we gotta go really quickly. Ugh. Rightio. You know, chuck me a few zip ties.
Hey, it's been there since Childers. Yeah.
It's gonna be hella good to see their faces when they turn up. Sam's gonna be pissed. Yeah. Hey, Ben's driving. Ben's just walking over to the surf now. He's laughing. Look at him just looking at it. Howdy.
Pride Month sticker there for.
What?
Bloody Pride Month sticker.
It's for all the people you chop. Wait, now we gotta get the footage of Sam. He's all kanky. That's disgusting.
I love the hydration stickers.
Hell yeah. What do you...
It's a quality job.
Yeah,
It's a quality job. I'm very proud of the boys.
Open the bonnet, show me.
Hang on, I need to go look at this thing too. Time for hydration. That's all right, actually. Oh no.
Just kidding.
Oh, I was getting excited. Why has he got the gay pride shop? That's so.
He's got a hood scoop.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful. How well stuff on is it?
Pretty well.
Pretty well.
Ain't coming off for a while. Probably take it off and all the plastic dip will come off it. Did you silicone it on or something?
Nah, just double-sided tape.
Those dice are staying, I like.
I cleaned your car as well, Ben.
Oh.
I gave it a full detail.
Oh, I finally got a dog!
Yeah. Also, to extend it, I put UV protection all on your car and a week's of fuel.
The what fuel?
A week worth of fuel.
Oh, well, when do you do that to my car? When do you do that to my car?
You ain't gonna let us have your car, so that's what you get.
I like it though.
Dude, stand back at the gate and look at the thing.
I will warn you though that there's not much vision out of the back now because of the bullhorn. But man.
And you gay pride.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah,
No, that's what we thought.
I like it, boys. That is huge. Guess what? That's all the stickers are saying on it. That's like the worst shade of pink you could possibly ask
It's
for.
fluorescent pink.
Did you spray paint that?
Yes.
Are these the performance
Yeah.
lug nuts? Where'd you get them off? Amazon?
We put it on. You put it on. Connor and I here.
What are your thoughts?
Beautiful. This is what I've always wanted on my car. It's cool for a hydration session. You've been drinking enough last night. Oh yeah, thank you.
Indeed.
This is Connor.
Oh, oof.
And that's Hayden. IQ of like 10.
Sam just keeps looking at his room.
Sam, you gotta take it for a drive.
Yeah, you gotta go for a drive.
Yeah, they're on tight. You don't have to worry about
We
it.
ran out of zip ties, so I used 80-pound fishing rod.
And I had to. We
Remember
said
that.
we're gonna touch it anyway.
Yeah. That was a ploy by your mum, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got here and
She's like, the boys are coming home now. And we were like,
Yeah, I know.
go to Macca's.
She called me to go pick her up something. I was
Yeah.
hungry anyway. There you
So
go,
this
Hayden.
fatty goes.
Dude, does his car sound better with the wheels on it? Wait, his car sounds better with the wheels on it.
Like the wheels 100% give it a better exhaust note. Yeah. Oh,
Dude, it sounds better.
is it bad that I think it sounds like the Camry
It does.
when it comes off the exhaust? Off the.
It sounds better with the wheels on it. Yeah.
The wheels must just make a huge difference.
Okay. Are you coming to tomorrow?
Alright guys, so that's definitely more than I was expecting to happen to it, but looks pretty good. Got a couple little interesting modifications, especially like the dice on the mirror and that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for modifying my car.
My pleasure to
And,
make your car look funny.
Yeah, Sam really loves his car as well, so
Actually, I wonder how long he'll keep his wheels on for?
I don't. I don't
Yeah.
know. I told him
If he
has to pick one.
drives somewhere, we'll try and get footage of that.
Yeah.
We cannot guarantee this. If it is at the end of this film, we have succeeded in it. If not, we'll catch you for the next episode.
Yeah. See you later.
See you later, guys.